Hey guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we're making another classic from 19th century. It's called Gin Fizz. All you need is gin, lemon juice, some sugar and soda water. So simple. Its sourness and its fizziness is what makes it so refreshing. So without further ado, let's make a Gin Fizz. First of all, we need gin, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Using Tanqueray. Add that into our shaker. Now the recipe says juice of half a large lemon. So it depends on the size of the lemon, but this is what I got. So let's say it's 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Followed by 1 teaspoon of caster sugar. That's about it. Now, we need to add ice into our shaker. And shake the cocktail for about 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need to fill our glass with ice. Oh, this is going to take some time, eh? And that's it. And whoopa. Strain the cocktail over fresh ice. That's it. Top it up with soda. Add a slice of lemon. Just drop it in. Add a straw. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Gin Fizz. So easy to make. Cheers. Yeah, classic, beautiful, old recipe. You can't go wrong with this one. Tasty, refreshing, a little bit sour, a little bit sweet. Perfect summer drink. So good. Ladies and gents, that's it. We made a Gin Fizz, really easy to make, classic 19th century recipe. Try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.